welcome once again to an exciting video. So in previous video, we have covered a topic like function calling versus tool calling, MCP. Now today's topic is LangChain, right? So why we are learning about LangChain? Because each and every company is asking about LangChain, LangGraph, tags, right? So let's understand what is LangChain and why it is really important for AI applications. So before understanding LangChain, let's understand what is the problem before the LangChain existed, right? So what problem does it solve will come next. So let's first understand what is a problem before LangChain. So in the general condition, what happens? Here is a user. It writes some prompt. It gives to the LLM. And what LLM does, it just sends the response back, right? This is a simple flow when you interact with the LLMs, right? Now, what happens next? Now, when your application grows, right? So suppose this is the user, this is a front end, and when your application grows, it also requires to read PDFs, search databases, right? Store the chat history, comment, right? All vector databases, right? Build RAG pipelines and all, right? So this is the real app. So in the normal way, what happens? A user just gives a prompt to the LLM and it gives the response. But in the real application, it does not work like that, right? You have to do all these stuffs as well. To do all this stuff, what you have to do, you have to write custom functions, right? Tools and all those things, right? So let's understand with the analogy. So if you want to run a restaurant, so you need a cook who prepares the delicious foods, right? So we can relate it with the LLM. LLM is your chef, right, which prepares the cook. But chef cannot alone run the restaurant, right? He needs, or he or she needs some other persons as well to support him, like a waiter, cashier, manager, inventory, cleaner. All these things are required, and we need a manager as well to manage all this. So LangChain is a manager over here, right? Who manages waiter, cashier, right? Inventory, cleaners, right? And the chef as well. So this is what LangChain is doing. LangChain is kind of a manager. So it doesn't cook the food. It just coordinates everything around the chef. Similarly, LangChain doesn't replace the LLM. It orchestrates prompts, tools, memory, documents, and all other APIs. So without LangChain, this would be very complex to manage all these things, right? So we'll understand. So what problem does LangChain solve, right? So it gives you a reusable component, standard interfaces, faster developments, cleaner architecture, right? Now, what is LangChain, right? So let's uncover this. LangChain is an open source framework for building LLM powered application by connecting language model with prompts, memories, tools, document loaders, retrievers, vector databases, and AI agents. So it gives you ready to use tools. Now assume you have to read the PDF. So what you have to do, you have to write the code which can read the PDF and give it application, right? But if you use LangChain, you will get ready to use libraries. So if we go to LangChain, right? So what it says, right? Powering the AI. So what does it says? Powering the agent's development lifecycle, right? Let's go to the docs. So build agent faster in the faster way, right? So if you come here, read the docs, right? So over here, if you come, so you'll see lots and lots of reusable libraries, right? So you can see if you want to use guardrails, right? You can directly use over here. So suppose you want to use memory, right? So what you can do, you can come here, see how it has ready to use memories, right? You can connect with in-memory stores, or you can use different models. So basically it manages, it gives you ready to use codes, right? It kinds of library, right, which you can use it. Like you can see how you can directly connect with the Postgres database, right? So let's understand better, right? So it is not an LLM. It sits between your application and LLM, right? So you need to understand better that it is not an LLM. It is not going to replace LLM. It just sits between your application and LLMs. Now you are a user, right? So if you want to interact with your LLM, you can use prompts, memories, and tools. You can use the LangChain right over here, and the LLM will give the final response, right? So again, emphasizing, LLM does not replace, I mean, LangChain does not replace LLMs. They just gives more power with the reusable components. Now, what is the real example, right? Let's understand this. So without LangChain, what you can do, you if you want to create the RAG, you can read the PDF, extract text, split text, generate embeddings, store in the vector DB, similarity search, build prompts, call LLMs, generate answers. So you have to write each and every function on your own. Means each and every function, right? Every function you have to write the code for. But if you use LangChain, right, you have PDF loader ready to use, you have text splitter ready to use, you have embeddings, vector stores, retriever, and then it goes to the LLM. So everything is ready to use. If you go to this document, right, so you will get all the things here, right? So if you go to quick start, you will see all the things, how to set up. You can see the models. If you want to use messages, right, you can see how you can role content and metadata, how you can see how you can use the tools and all, right? Each and everything is ready to use. Now, when should you use LangChain? Right? That's a great question. All right. So use LangChain if your application includes RAG, AI agents, memory, tools, multiple LLMs, document processing, vector database. Right? If your application includes all these things, then only use the this LangChain. Else, you can avoid using LangChain. Suppose if you are just inferencing with your LLM for some small questions and answers, so you can simple use user LLM and then response. You can directly provide the prompts. Now, what are the key takeaways from here? LangChain is not an LLM, right? It orchestrates everything around an LLM. It reduces boilerplates and integration efforts, right? It is ideal for RAG, AI agents, and production AI applications. For simple prompt response apps, you should not use the LangChain. So hope this session is useful for you. If so, please subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn about line graph, RAGs, memory in the agentic AI, and all those things. So these are really important topics. To get notification for those videos, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like